Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my new video, and this video is an unboxing video. So as you guys can see, this is an box from Flipkart. As you guys can see, it's Flipkart box I am having today with me. And what it is an Xiaomi adapter, which is like not a fast charger, but it is the regular 2 amp charger. Like here is as you can see, the this one output 5 volt and 2 ampere charger is there, which I ordered from Flipkart today. So I don't know whether it is original or a fake. And this one came with my Redmi Note 4, which I posted the unboxing video on my channel. Go check this out. And so it came with my Redmi Note 4. So one day there was an over fluctuation of light. I don't know why it was an over fluctuation of light, and it got damaged. So I ordered this new one, and yeah, I wanna unbox this one right now. So this cost me around roughly around this 469 rupees. And yeah, it came in like 2 to 3 days. It came like delivery was fast. And yeah, as you can see, it's a cardboard box. Let's cut it up. And yeah, and here is the documentation. Like bill is there. I don't want to cut it if it doesn't work, so I have to give that bill back to the delivery or the boy which will come and take my order back. So yeah, let's cut it up. Yeah, we cut it up. So this is the box. Like, yeah, here's the bell, and you got inside the adapter. I think, yeah, it's heavy. I think it's original. So let's keep this box pack aside. And you got your adapter in this bubble wrap. And yeah, it's original. I thought, I knew that it's original. Okay, so as you can see, it's for 469 rupees. I mean 470 with the delivery. As you can see, Flipkart that sticker which comes with the electronics, I think. And as you can see, here is the steel, and it's dirty package, I don't know why. And as you can see, it's written MI and MI adapter. And here is written contains an MI adapter for output of 2 amps one. And the price written here is little bit higher. As you can see, it's written 400, and I think it's 490, approximately 500 rupees. And yeah, it's original. How I think that is this one is original. I am noticing it's original. And yeah, we'll compare with this one, which is like not working. And yeah, I got my wire in this Redmi package. Let's take out that wire. I kept it inside. I was having a previous wire with me, so yeah, so let's keep it aside. And yeah, first unbox this one. Let's cut the seal of this one. And yeah, let's cut the seal. It's the original, I think, MI adapter. Yeah, like this you cut the seal. And let's open the box. It's a pretty much tidy and clean box as you look. And yeah, it contains an adapter. Hopefully this will working. Okay, yeah, it's good. Like, it have some scratches on that protective coating on it. It have some scratches on it, so don't, like, it's new, but I think it's non-used. And as you can see, the output is same as which I get in my box. And below one is the new one, and that's this which came in the box. So as I am noticing that on the which came in the box is like a little bit written like in the darker text, and this one is like a sort of like bright text, I think so, but you guys are the judge. And all the things are same Indian plug, and yeah, it's same. And yeah, this one is new, and we have wire, and we have a beast Redmi Note 4. So yeah guys, let's put this up in a plug and let's see how it does work. So yeah, it works or not. Like, yeah, let's see. I have a, like, let's go near a plug and do it. Guys, let's plug our new adapter inside this plug. Yeah, we plugged it in, and we have our wire. Yeah, let's plug it in, and we plugged in our new wire also out of the box, and the other end of wire on the beast Redmi Note 4. Yeah, I call it beast. I don't know if it's beast or not. Turn on the switch. It works. It works, guys. It works. As you guys can see, it is working right now. So yeah guys, this was a successful purchase of the original thing from Flipkart. Yeah, it was a successful purchase from Flipkart of this adapter. So thank you guys for watching this video. As always guys, stay tuned with me for unboxing and reviews and tech things. You can ask in the comment down below. Yeah guys, anything you want to know about tech, let me know in comment section below. Thank you guys for watching this quick unboxing of this originally box. Yeah guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Peace out.